with the way this has played out here over the last 15 games. Deep three for Harden. Speak it into existence, Coach Vitello. Feeling good.
Oh my goodness! 28 for James Harden.
George, 27 points in 31 minutes. Harden shows off the handles. The step back.
Oh my goodness! A virtuoso.
It has been special to watch. Clippers 6 minutes and 10 seconds away from their 8th straight win. No way.
Oh my goodness! He has entered the scoring vortex. Oh my!
Well, he saw them coming to double team him, so he stopped short, gets hit, and is feeling it.